Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and review the latest gadgets and tech.
Today, we have an interesting product to talk about, the PAMEENCOS NRF905 radio module wireless transceiver.
Let's dive right in.
The PAMEENCOS NRF905 is a set of two radio modules designed for Arduino enthusiasts and DIY electronics enthusiasts. These modules operate in the 433, 868, 915ths of a megahertz frequency band, making them versatile for various applications.
One standout feature is the frequency stabilization mode using PLL technology, ensuring stable communication.
These modules use FSK, GMSK modulation, which is excellent for noise immunity. With a maximum output power of +10 dBm, these modules can transmit data effectively over distances, and they support a maximum operating rate of 76.8 kilobits per second. These NRF905 modules are particularly useful for industrial control applications due to their robust GMSK modulation and anti-interference capabilities. They're also suitable for projects requiring multi-channel communication. Another advantage is their low power consumption. They operate in the voltage range of 2.7 volts to 3.3 volts and have a standby power consumption of only 1 UA, making them energy efficient. Furthermore, these modules come with a minimal number of external components, which simplifies the setup process. Let's take a look at what you get in the package. You'll receive two NRF905 wireless modules and two antennas for improved signal reception. These modules have compact dimensions, measuring approximately 2.95 by 2.56 by 0.98 inches, and they are lightweight, weighing just 0.772 ounces. The PAMEENCOS NRF905 modules are manufactured by PAMEENCOS and have an ASIN of B0CM1WBLP5. Now, let's highlight some of the pros of the PAMEENCOS NRF905 modules. Versatile frequency band support. Stable communication with PLL technology.
Low power consumption.
No product is without its drawbacks, and here are a couple of cons.
Currently unavailable on Amazon.
May require additional adapters or converters for international use. In conclusion, the PAMEENCOS NRF905 radio module wireless transceiver is a versatile and reliable option for Arduino projects and industrial applications. While availability may be a concern, its performance and features make it a worthwhile consideration. That wraps up our review of the PAMEENCOS NRF905 modules. If you've used these modules before or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology.
For more in-depth reviews and tech insights, check out our other videos on Product Critique.
See you in the next one.